Mobile Application Testing. Chapter 3. Mobile Application Test Process, ISTQB. This video outlines the mobile application test process, following ISTQB guidelines. We will cover key stages from planning to closure, highlighting mobile-specific considerations. Understanding this process ensures robust and high-quality mobile app releases. Test planning. Identify crucial device combinations for comprehensive testing. This includes various models and operating systems. Leverage emulators and simulators in the test environment. They help validate functionality across different virtual devices. Address unique challenges like network variability and battery consumption. These impact user experience significantly. Specific test types include mobile-specific test types like interruption testing and performance testing. These are vital for app stability. Analysis and design. Prepare for stringent approval processes. Ensure compliance with platform guidelines. Conduct real-world testing in diverse environments. This captures actual user conditions. Verify app functionality across a wide range of devices. This ensures broad user reach. Determine suitable test lab setups. On-site or cloud labs offer varied benefits. Test implementation and execution. Perform real-world tests in various locations. Evaluate network conditions and GPS accuracy. Conduct post-release checks for seamless download and installation. User acquisition depends on this. Utilize exploratory testing and error guessing. These methods uncover unexpected issues. Execution, platform guidelines, and approval. Tests are based on platform-specific UI guidelines. Adherence ensures a consistent user experience. Tests based on guidelines will typically be run by the platform providers for their application store approval process. It is recommended to run these as application provider before handing over to the platform providers in order to avoid possible rejection.